Hey guys, what's up? It's GZX2000 here. Right now I'm in Mexico. I'm at my grandma's ranch, which was my grandma's farm. Yeah, this small village called Ostipaquillo, and as you can see, I'm riding a horse. See? Yeah, and yeah, tomorrow I'm going to the beach, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. So yeah, show you guys that, and yeah, let's see us finish videotaping this. ¿Cómo lo haga para que se va más rápido? I mean, no para que corras, nomás por un poquito más rápido.
Oh, taloneale.
Sí, nomás like poquito.
Ya, haz así, ¿ves? Así. Y la rienda. Dale, ahora para acá.
A ver. Alright, well, okay guys, see ya. Hey guys, what's up? It's GZX2000 here. You can see right now I'm outside. I'm outside the church, and look, there's lightning outside. Look. Okay, I don't know. That's awesome right there. Okay, see you guys later. Peace out.